This is Dr. David Stoker, a board-certified plastic surgeon in Marina del Rey, here to talk to you about the television show Extreme Makeover Weight Loss Edition on ABC. I was fortunate enough to be invited to participate in this show by ABC and their producers. Superstar trainer Chris Powell helped patients to lose between 100 and 300 pounds over the course of a year. I was part of their motivational team, and ultimately, if they were successful in losing a substantial amount of weight, they would fly each of the patients out here to Los Angeles to meet with me on camera, and I would decide whether or not they had lost enough weight to qualify for surgery. If they had, it was an exciting time for all of us because I was able to do these really transformational operations on them from head to toe to remove all of that extra skin that remained after the massive weight loss. Eventually, they would then cut to commercial and show the patients in their final state in the reveal. It was really exciting for me to be a part of this, most of all because the stories were incredible. Just imagine losing 100, 200, 300 pounds of weight over the course of 1 year. It was really exciting to be a part of that. It was also really nice to see the motivational team helping patients to lose weight the right way through diet and exercise. After they lost the weight, there's nothing that a patient would appreciate more than removing that extra skin. And so, you know, the part that I played in all of this was very significant for these patients. I was fortunate enough to be invited to perform in every single episode for all 3 of the first seasons for this show. They actually renamed it from Extreme Makeover Weight Loss Edition to Extreme Weight Loss after the 2nd season. But the premise continued throughout, and after season 3, production was moved to Colorado, so I no longer was involved with that production. For me, it was really exciting though because I was able to do these really gigantic cases in a high pressure situation with high definition film crews around me, plus audio, doing surgery that's about as big as it comes for plastic surgery. But fortunately, everything was a great success for these patients, which I guess is part of the reason they kept inviting me back to do more for the show. It also helped me as a surgeon, really, by doing so many gigantic cases. Every time I do a case, I learn something from it. And by doing these really big cases in difficult situations, not only was I able to help those patients, but I learned lots of subtle things that helped me to apply those same principles to everyday weight loss cases and to mommy makeover cases. Either way, it was an honor to be chosen by ABC to be involved with the show. It's fun to be involved in a production like that where we can share our story with the world. If you have your own story that you'd like to share with us and you're interested in any plastic surgery, feel free to call up for a consultation in our office in Marina del Rey. I look forward to hearing from you.